Great white sharks are mainly found in temperate and tropical coastal waters worldwide, where there is plenty of marine life. They tend to thrive in areas with water temperatures between 12 and 24 degrees Celsius. Common sightings occur in places like Australia and South Africa, which host large populations of seals and sea lions, their main sources of food. Great white sharks are the largest predatory fish on the planet, with some individuals growing up to 6 meters long, which is roughly the length of a bus. Typically, female great whites are much larger than males. On average, females range from 15 to 16 feet in length and can weigh between 1,500 to 2,500 pounds. In comparison, male great white sharks usually measure between 11 to 13 feet and weigh around 500 to 1,500 pounds. Females generally reach maturity at a larger size and older age than males, with females maturing at lengths of 13 to 16 feet around 12 to 14 years, while males mature at 11.5 to 14.5 feet by about 9 to 10 years. This sexual dimorphism is common in many shark species. Unlike many fish, great white sharks possess the ability to regulate their body temperature, making them warm-blooded. This adaptation allows them to be more agile and effective hunters in colder waters. Their bite force is astonishing, estimated to be more than 20 times that of a human, aided by their sharp, triangular teeth that can cut through flesh effortlessly. Surprisingly, great white sharks are known to be conflict avoidant. They typically prefer to swim away from threats rather than engage, which is quite different from their fearsome image. The great white shark has a streamlined, torpedo-shaped body, which helps it swim efficiently in the water. Its snout is short and conical, playing a crucial role in its hunting technique. Great whites have a strong crescent-shaped tail or caudal fin that enables them to reach speeds of up to 35 miles per hour. They possess 5 gill slits on each side of their head, allowing them to breathe easily while on the move. Their skeletons are made of cartilage, making them lighter and more flexible compared to those with bony structures, aiding in buoyancy. Great whites also have around 3,000 triangular teeth arranged in multiple rows, perfect for gripping and tearing meat. Their large dorsal fin is triangular and prominent, while their sizable pectoral fins help with stability and maneuverability. Great white sharks are notorious for unprovoked attacks, making up more than 50% of all documented shark attacks on humans. This statistic positions them as the shark species responsible for the highest number of fatalities. Reports indicate that they have been involved in 333 confirmed unprovoked attacks on humans, with 52 of those leading to fatalities. The United States and Australia emerge as the leading countries when it comes to fatalities caused by great white sharks. In the U.S., states such as California and Florida have seen a significant number of attacks, with California alone recording 15 deaths since the 1950s. Australia has also reported 14 confirmed fatalities due to great whites, with serious incidents occurring in New South Wales and Western Australia. South Africa has recorded 6 deaths linked to these sharks, while New Zealand has seen 3 fatalities. While great white sharks are indeed dangerous, they usually do not show aggression towards humans. Instead, they are often curious and may approach divers and surfers, which can sometimes result in accidental bites. Their bite force ranks as the 3rd strongest in the animal kingdom, estimated to be around 4,000 pounds per square inch. Many experts suggest that when they do bite humans, it is often due to a mistaken identity, as they might confuse swimmers with their natural prey, like seals. Great white sharks play an essential role in the marine food chain as apex predators. They primarily help regulate the populations of various marine species, especially those lower in the food chain, like seals, sea lions, and smaller sharks. By hunting these species, great whites help keep the ecosystem balanced, ensuring that no single species becomes too dominant. Their hunting behaviors also affect the distribution and actions of prey species, which further supports ecological balance. Great white sharks face very few natural enemies, but they can be preyed upon, particularly when they are young or vulnerable. The main threat to these sharks comes from orcas, which are known to hunt and attack them, specifically targeting their nutrient-rich liver. Additionally, large sharks like tiger sharks and bull sharks may prey on juvenile great whites. While adult great whites sit at the top of the food chain, their young are more at risk from predation. Other potential threats include larger marine mammals and humans who may hunt great whites for sport or out of fear. Sharks are fascinating ancient creatures that have been around even longer than dinosaurs. Sharks have existed for over 450 million years, making them one of the oldest lineages still swimming in our oceans today. They were gliding through the waters long before dinosaurs roamed the Earth, which appeared around 230 million years ago. Dinosaurs ruled the planet for about 165 million years before their extinction roughly 65 million years ago. The incredible longevity of sharks highlights their remarkable adaptability and resilience. They have survived several mass extinction events, including the one that led to the dinosaurs' demise, proving their ability to thrive in ever-changing environments. So, while dinosaurs are often seen as the iconic giants of the past, sharks boast a much longer and more enduring legacy, earning them the title of true living fossils. The ancestors of today's great white sharks are believed to have emerged during the Miocene Epoch, a time known for significant changes in marine environments and the diversification of marine life. Fossil evidence suggests that these sharks have undergone relatively few changes in their physical structure over millions of years, demonstrating their successful adaptation to various ecological niches. Great white sharks communicate primarily through body language and their keen senses, as they do not produce sounds. One key method of communication is gaping, where they open their mouths wide to display their sharp teeth, signaling dominance or warning to others. They also engage in nodding and arching movements, which convey different social signals, including aggression or submission. This nonverbal communication is essential for their interactions within their species. Great white sharks are equipped with 6 highly developed senses: smell, hearing, touch, taste, sight, and electromagnetism. These senses play a crucial role in their hunting strategies and communication methods. Their exceptional sense of smell enables them to detect chemical signals in the water, which is vital for locating prey. Their ability to sense electrical fields allows them to find food and interact with fellow sharks effectively. When they are in groups, great white sharks may display social behaviors like body slamming or nudging, which serve to establish dominance and assert their presence within the group. Great white sharks have a fascinating way of reproducing called ovoviviparity. In this process, the fertilized eggs grow inside the female's body, resulting in live births. Mating typically takes place in warmer waters, where males engage in a behavior known as nipping to grasp the females during the act. Once mating is complete, the female keeps the fertilized eggs, and the embryos continue to develop in her uterus, receiving nourishment from a yolk sac. Great white sharks have a gestation period of about 11 months, during which their embryos grow and prepare for life outside the womb. When the time comes, a female typically gives birth to live pups, with numbers ranging from 2 to 14. However, these females only reproduce every 2 to 3 years, which contributes to a low reproductive rate. The pups are born fully formed and ready to swim and hunt independently. The birthing locations can vary, but they often occur in shallow, sheltered waters like lagoons or bays. After the pups are born, the mother shark does not offer any parental care, leaving them to survive on their own in the vast ocean. Great white shark pups are born measuring roughly 4 to 5 feet in length. This impressive size sets them apart, as they are already quite large compared to many other shark species right from birth. In their early life, these young sharks primarily consume small fish, stingrays, and even smaller sharks. They tend to inhabit coastal areas and shallow waters where food is abundant, allowing them to hunt efficiently while avoiding larger predators. However, it's essential to understand that many baby sharks face serious challenges, and their chances of survival during the first year can be quite low due to predation and environmental factors. In the teenage and adult stages, great white sharks face a more complex and competitive life in the ocean. As they mature, these sharks are often found in deeper waters away from the shore. Once they hit around 4 meters in length, their diet undergoes a significant transformation, focusing on larger prey. Adult great whites primarily hunt marine mammals like seals and sea lions, which provide the energy-rich nutrition they require for their size and activity. They may also eat porpoises, dolphins, and sometimes turtles. Their diet isn't limited to marine mammals. They also consume various other marine organisms, such as fish, crustaceans, and mollusks. This diverse range of food is vital for their growth, allowing adult great whites to reach lengths of up to 6 meters or even more. As great white sharks age, they tend to lead a more relaxed lifestyle, often lingering in their preferred hunting areas. Their diet stays largely the same as that of adult sharks, but they sometimes indulge in meals of dead marine creatures, including whales. Even in their senior years, they remain apex predators, though they may face challenges like deteriorating health and increased vulnerability to diseases, which can impact their hunting abilities and overall survival. Great white sharks are thought to have a life expectancy ranging from 40 to 70 years, with some research indicating they might live even longer, possibly exceeding 70 years. This is a remarkable increase compared to previous estimates, which suggested they only lived about 20 years. The largest great white shark ever recorded was caught in 1987 near Ledge Point in Western Australia, measuring an impressive 6.0 meters long. However, a noteworthy great white named Deep Blue, found in 2014, is thought to be even larger at approximately 6.1 meters. Deep Blue is an exceptional female shark, weighing over 2,000 kilograms. She was initially spotted off the coast of Guadalupe Island, Mexico, and gained significant fame in 2015 when a video of her swimming went viral. Not only is she recognized for her size, but also for her distinctive appearance, including vertical slashes along her flanks. So far, she has been sighted in various places, including Hawaii, where marine biologists tracked her down in 2019 during their research on tiger sharks. Deep Blue is estimated to be around 60 years old, making her one of the oldest known great white sharks. The global population of great white sharks is estimated to be between 3,000 and 5,000, with approximately 1,500 residing in the Northeast Pacific. The decline in their numbers over the years is mainly due to overfishing, hunting for fins and teeth, and sport fishing activities. As a result, great white sharks are classified as vulnerable on the IUCN Red List. YouTube thinks you will love this video, so check it out. Also guys, please help me by liking this video so YouTube can show this to more curious people like you and me.